Hi boys and girls, this is Miss White. Today we're going to be doing lesson 1 in phonics, which is going to be the letter L. Each day that we meet, we're going to be doing activities and learning about letters and the sounds that those letters make. It's important that we follow rules while we're doing this so that everyone can hear and participate and be active listeners. Some of the rules we have are that we want you to raise your hand and wait to be called on before you start speaking. Next, if someone else is speaking, you should be sitting quietly at your desk waiting for your turn. When someone is speaking, listen to that person and then wait to raise your hand until that person is done talking. All right, next we're going to talk about Leo. I have Leo back here. Do you see him? Leo is a lion. He is sitting at his desk quietly with his hands folded on his desk and with his feet flat on the ground. When we're doing our lessons, I want you all to be seated like Leo. Let's see if you can get into the Leo position. Go ahead and try right now. Good job. I hope you're all sitting that way. Next, I'm going to say 2 sounds, and I want you to tell me if the sounds are the same or different. If they're the same, you can give me a thumbs up. If they're different, you can give me a thumbs down. So I'm going to say t and ul. T, ul. They're different, right? All right. Next, we're going to go with b and g. B, g. Those are different too. All right. Next, we have s and s and Those are different too. Good job. Next, we have s and s, s and s. Those are the same. Great job. All right, moving on. We have ul and ul. Those are the same sound too. Good job. All right, our next one, k, 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 k. Same sound. Good job. Next, b and b. Those are the same sound too. Great job, guys. All right, next we're going to talk about echo. Do you know how to echo? Have you ever been in the mountains and yelled out, hello, into the mountains and heard hello come back to you? Well, that's what an echo is. So many times this year, we are going to practice echoing, where I say a word and then you say it back to me. Let's practice. I'll say hello, and then you'll echo back. Hello, hello. Good job. All right. Now I'll say a sound, and then you echo it back. Echo, ul, ul. Good job. The next sound is going to be, the ul is the sound that the letter L makes. All right. Every letter has 2 forms, an uppercase and a lowercase. This is the lowercase L. It looks like this. When we write it, we're just going to draw a line down. Next is the uppercase. When we do the uppercase, we're going to go to and there to make the uppercase L. When I count to 3, show me with your body what a lowercase L looks like. So if you're showing me, you're going to be standing up straight, arms down. That's what the L looks like. Alrighty, let's practice skywriting a lowercase L. You can stand up to do this if you would like. We skywrite by writing big letters with our fingers up in the air, if you don't know what skywriting is. All right, good job. All right, let's practice skywriting one more time. Good job. All righty. Next we're going to talk about how when we're writing, we sit at our desk like Leo is with our feet on the ground and our pencil in our hand. Anytime that we're writing, we want to write that way so that we're sure that we are at a solid surface and able to write well with our hand. So every time I ask you to write, I want you to be seated like this, ready to go. All right. So what letter is this that we talked about? L. That's right. It's the lowercase L, and it makes the ul sound. All right. Next, we're going to talk about this. This is a picture card. This card helps you remember the sound that goes with the picture. So this is a big cat. It has a large mane. A mane is the long hair that comes down around its face. This cat is called the king of the jungle. What do you think it is? You're right, it's a lion. Good job. So we're going to use this keyword from now on to remind us that ul sounds like lion. Keywords are important because they help you remember the sounds. The keyword lion helps us remember the ul sound because it starts with an L. Good job. All right, get your worksheet out. This is your worksheet. You'll need your worksheet and a pencil. If you know how to write your name, go ahead and write your name up here at the top. If you don't, that's okay. So we've talked about Leo, and I think everyone can see Leo on our sheet of paper right here, right? Well, now we're going to learn about Max the bear. Max is pointing to the number 1. Can you find Max the bear on your sheet of paper and point to the number 1 for me? You got it. It's right there. On the line, I want you to practice. We're going to talk about how I want you to practice saying the word and then repeating it and then writing it down. So I'm going to say the sound ul. I'm going to point at you. I want you to say ul, and then I'm going to put my hand out like this, and I want you to say L. Then I'm going to point down, and when I point down, I want you to write the letter L on your sheet of paper. So let's practice. Ul, ul, L, and then write down on your sheet of paper. So right here, next to the number 1, I'd like you to write a lowercase l. It's going to look just like a straight line. Just like that. Good job. All right. Next, I want you to find Leo the lion on your worksheet. He's actually on here twice, but do you see where he's at down here? There he is. All right. Do you see how there's L's in this box? I see some L's in there. I'd like you to circle the L's that you see right now. And again, if you need a little extra time, you can pause the video and fill out your circles and then unpause it when you're done. I'm going to go ahead and circle my L's as we go. L here and here, 1 here and 1 here. All right, next, do we think that we can count how many L's are in this? Let's practice counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 L's. Great job. All right, that's all we have for L today, but we'll be back again to teach you another new letter. Have a good day.